We all know Netflix provides hours and hours of entertainment, but there may be more to everyone's favorite streaming service than meets the eye. Here are 5 underrated Netflix features. I swear, I won't say anything, but we all know you share your Netflix password with friends and family, which means they can see what you're watching and mess with your watch list. Put an end to all that and lock your profile. Simply head on over to the account option under your profile, select Profile Lock, and enable Require a PIN to access the account. Set a 4-digit PIN and retreat to your own private streaming island. Tired of Netflix rushing you into your next title? Go ahead and disable Autoplay to take back control of your life. Navigate to Manage Profiles, uncheck the Autoplay options, and save your choices. Now you can avoid those obnoxiously loud previews for shows you were never going to watch anyway. All those episodes of Better Call Saul on the train to work can really eat into your mobile data plan. But don't worry, this next feature can help. To decrease your monthly phone bill, visit Profile, App Settings, and Mobile Data Usage. Finally, disable the Automatic feature and switch to Save Data instead. The next time you're on Wi-Fi, be sure to download those episodes for offline use. All you need to do is search the movie or show you'd like to download and tap the download button. Keep in mind that longer films and multiple TV episodes may take a while to download, but once they do, you'll be able to access them offline for up to 30 days. Get the most out of your offline downloads by enabling Smart Downloads. This useful feature will replace watched episodes with the next episode once you're back on Wi-Fi. Simply navigate to Profile, then App Settings, and switch Smart Downloads on. What's up next on your watch list? Drop a comment below and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.